What is up, YouTube? Austin Trades NQ, founder and owner of the Prop Shop YouTube and Discord, coming at you with a brand new video today by very popular demand, explaining the new public project we're releasing today, April 1st, 2026, the Prop Shop Premium Live. I've been in beta with this project for some months now, posting on YouTube, doing live trading inside of the room, and we have finally nailed down what I think is a very revolutionary offer in the trading space. It's going to provide the individual trader just a hands-on approach to psychology, risk management, profit management, technical analysis, and ultimately becoming a professional risk manager, really having the confidence in yourself that's necessary to perform at a high level in whatever market you trade, day over day and week over week. So without any further ado, the main value proposition inside the prop shop before we break down the room itself is going to be the fact that I'm live trading 4 days per week with live execution. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, I am sharing my screens during the New York session. I'm live trading. You guys are going to see my account growth from day one to payouts and so on and so forth. And that includes, as already articulated, that live trading with screen share, my live orders, P&L, etc. being filled. I've been live trading for many years now, but I've been a full-time trader for over 6+ years at this point. And I think that it should be a standard that traders are willing to share their screens, willing to share their execution, willing to share their results month over month. And we're going to get into that in a little bit as we break down some of the details of the room. But additionally, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, live trading with live execution. We are going to be hosting a class every Wednesday that will vary between the regular trading hour sessions. So we'll do a live class with a full-time performance coach in the room during trading hours. So that's something you can choose to attend or not, but this is my personal trading coach that works with me for years now that I personally paid to coach me. And this is a full-time high-performance psychology coach. So hoping that this is a huge value add for the room, someone that can come in weekly and provide insight into how to perform at a high level, how to manage risk, and how to ultimately improve your systems, your psychology, and your confidence. And then lastly, we're going to be posting private YouTube content for members only on a daily basis. And we're going to get into that value offer specifically right now. But before we do, if anyone's interested, this room is private. We're limited to 50 members only. We already have 10+ members in the room. And I'm hoping that in the short term, we can reflect and recognize that, hey, if you don't get a chance to join the room because it's capped at a private rate, one day, hopefully you'll be able to. But in the short term, this private approach, if I'm really being honest, is the only way that I can get in depth with the individual trader and work on your live trading, your profit management, your risk management, your ideas, your psychology, and provide the value that we claim to do on social media, as the trading education space does. And I just don't see that. If you have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 plus people in your room, I don't see how you can really provide that hands-on approach to accountability, education, and growth on a long-term basis. So hoping that you can recognize this private room is limited to 50 members. Code OG50 is going to provide you 50% off for life. This again will provide you 50% off your membership for life. And this will be limited to 50 members only. Both the code and the room limited to 50 members only. So without any further ado, we're going to get into the details of the room real quick. Exactly what it's going to provide for you other than the live trading, the classes, and the YouTube content. And first and foremost, today was day one. I didn't actually take any trades today, but we have a trading floor. Today was Wednesday, April 1st. We have a trading floor that's going to be updated daily during regular trading hour sessions. Ask an admin. This is a place that 24 hours a day, Monday through Friday, if you tag me in this channel, I am going to read it. I'm going to reply to it and provide you as in-depth of a response as I possibly can about any trading questions that you have. During trading hours, after trading hours, if you use this channel Monday through Friday, you will get a response from me personally. And then finally, the monthly report card. This is where the admin, myself, are going to provide this transparency month over month. I have 5 150K Tradeify funded accounts, and I started all of those today. We talked about that in the room today, and I'm going to be copy trading these and sharing the expenses, the revenue, and the performance in an account management masterclass series for members only that's going to also be updated here monthly. So expenses with Tradeify, my revenue with Tradeify, my payouts month over month, and all the trades that we take are going to be posted live or taken live at the very minimum day over day. And then for members specifically, chat, profit loss, trade reviews. These are things that we are just getting into now. We've been in beta for about a month now. You can see members are pretty consistent. We've been very consistent in the approach to education and weekly goals. This is something that we created back in February, end of the month as this beta was starting. And so for me personally, again, templates for performance. How can you truly improve as a trader? Develop best daily practices, have an educational group that holds you accountable and is facilitating your growth. You need to put yourself in a winning environment. And so for me, these weekly performance goals, identifying how you can improve your edge, your risk management, and or your profit management. These were the weekly performance goals for our OG members in the beta this past week, and these are going to align us for consistent growth, consistent positive feedback loops, and were a major part of my trading process back in the day. And then finally, members monthly report card. Very encouraged that you guys share, you be accountable, and you use this to grow and reflect and hold each other accountable in the long run to truly become profitable traders. And lastly, the private YouTube, again, daily updates going over trades, profit, losses, the overall execution, educational concepts, classes. We do have a private YouTube that will be filled with content daily, going over these things month over month, day over day, week over week. So without any further ado, wrapping this up here, we are super excited to launch the Prop Shop live. We've been in beta for about a month now. We've been working on this idea for months, plural now, including the YouTube, and we are super excited to be live trading at a high level, dropping consistent value, and I think providing a bit, again, of a revolutionary approach to this performance idea with trading. There is a specific goal here, which is to help you develop best practices, trade with confidence, and rely on yourself. This is not an alert service, and if you're a serious trader really looking to improve your process, improve your skills, then again, we're limited to 50 members. I think we're actually at, I don't know exactly what we're at right now, close to 28 right now, actually. So in the short term, for me personally, we got about 25 spots left if you're listening to this on YouTube. I would love to see some of you there that have been in my DMs, have been messaging me consistently, have been asking for some more educational value. And if you are, then tomorrow, April 2nd, I will be live in the Prop Shop, live trading throughout the day, through the rest of the week and into next week. And I am super, super excited to see some of our YouTube listeners there. As always, if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know if I'll see you in the Prop Shop, and I will see you guys around for live trading. As always, trade safe, trade well. Welcome to the Prop Shop.